Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can add emojis to your documents on Google Docs. So drop a like and now let us get started. So place the cursor where you'd like to put your emoji in. So let me go with that spot here. So what you want to do after that is click on Insert here, and from the drop-down menu, select Emoji. That is going to open up that menu for you. So here you may go through these emoji categories like smileys and emotions, or people, or animals and nature, food, and travel and places, and so on and so forth. So simply select your preferred category, like people, for example, or let me go with a simple smiley like that. Select the one you would like to use. And that's basically it. You can repeat that as often as you like. Click on Insert, select emoji, and add another emoji to your document. And that's basically it. You may also copy and paste them as often as you like. And that's it, guys. That's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.